Hi DW's Remodeling, this is Stephanie. Thanks so much for commenting on my post. So in this video, I'm going to pretty much compare your website against the top 2 competitors in Dallas for home remodeling. We'll be looking at the front end and also the back end. So the 3 things I want to talk to you about are content, citations, and backlinks. So content is really just the words and photos on your home page. And Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your home page. We see that you have very little content, so you definitely want to get more added. Another thing with Google, they don't actually see the photos on your home page, so they just read what's behind the pictures. So when we save image as, we can see that this is saved as just a bunch of random letters and numbers. So you'd want to get all your photos optimized as well. Taking a look at the top competitor, Hatfield Builders and Remodelers, they have a ridiculous amount of content on their homepage. So it may appear that they only have maybe like 1,000 words, but if you were to actually copy all the content, we see that here in their blog section, they have about like 12 or 13,000 words just in this section alone. So that was a pretty good way to get a lot of content on the homepage and not have it look too crowded. So the next top guy is DFW Improved. They have a decent amount of content on their homepage as well. So, that's very beautiful. You just need to go ahead and add at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. So the next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. And so when we look at Home Remodeling Dallas, the first thing we're going to see at the top is a paid ad. The next is the map pack. And below that is the organic section. Citations come to play in the map pack, and it's really just your business name, address, and phone number listed exactly how it is here in different directories throughout the internet, such as Yelp, White Pages, and even Facebook has a spot for a citation. So the tool that I like to use for that is called whitespark.ca. So when I plugged you in here, we see you have 9 citations, and then the top 2 guys have 16 and 51. So what I always do is just add 200 to 300, so we could just beat your competition out by a landslide. And the last thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. And backlinks are how you're going to rank here in the organic section. And a backlink, simply put, is just one site pointing to another site, pretty much pushing power. And so the tool that I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. So when we plug in HB Dallas, we can see that they have 335 referring domains, giving them over 2,200 backlinks. Looking at these are the keywords. DFW Improved. We can see that they have 467, giving them over 3,600 backlinks. And when I plugged yours in, we see that you have 4 referring domains, giving you 21 backlinks. And I do want to mention that not all backlinks are created equal. There's trustworthy backlinks, there's spammy backlinks, and when it comes to ranking in the organic section, Google really likes to see relative links. So to have another remodel site in, say, California pointing back to your website, that's going to be a lot more relevant than, say, like Pizza Hut, because Google knows obviously you're not in the pizza industry. And so the UR and the DR here, this represents the power and the trust. And so ideally these will be double-digit numbers, and they'll be pretty close to each other, so 12 and 12. So we see that the 0.9, that just shows the links are pretty spammy. So you definitely want to get better, trustworthy, more relevant backlinks pointing back to your website to start ranking in Google. And just to show you the volume for keywords, so Home Remodeling Dallas, there's around 250 searches a month, but the KD means keyword difficulty. So a 17 is not exactly the easiest to rank for. 0 is the easiest. So remodeling contractors, there's another 150. General home repair and maintenance. That's more of a national keyword because it doesn't have Dallas next to it. So Home Renovation Dallas, there's 150. Home Remodeling Dallas TX, another 250. Remodeling Dallas, 250. Bathroom Remodel Dallas, 250. So you can see there's literally like over 1,000 searches a month for people looking to remodel their homes in the Dallas area. So that's a lot of traffic that you are missing out on and not being found for. We can actually take a look at the 7 keywords that Google is recognizing on your site, which is your name. Dallas Curve Remodel. Yeah, so you don't actually have any like buyer intent keywords that you're being found for. So you definitely want to get some added inside the content. So just to do a recap for you, you want to go ahead and get at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content added to your home page. Get all your photos optimized. Go ahead and get your Google My Business listing optimized with photos, a keyword-rich description, and I always recommend 200 to 300 citations. And then go ahead and get relative trustworthy backlinks pointing back to your website to show Google that you are the authority in this field and essentially get ranked to the first page, hopefully to the top. That's all I got for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and thanks so much for watching this video. Have a good one.